this step we will check the structure. After complete modeling and apply load, click on the validate to check what is error. The member intersection, right click and highlight item. Yeah, for intersection, no problem. Okay, we can keep it. Now want to check about red alert. Highlight. Okay, check it. This panel is surrounded by, yeah, you can delete it. Okay, or you can drag and drop. You select the panel again, use the same method. Because the boundary of our slab is grow with the opening. And click on validate again. Yeah, everything is fit. You can check it. No problem. Click on the members. And direction. You can check direction on the member correct or not. Yeah, we have to correct this column. We want to use the top side out of the building. Correct on it and change it to the minus 90 degree. Okay. And for this column, it's okay. And for the raster, okay. For the raster, okay. Yes, now everything is okay for the direction of the mainframe. We focus on the mainframe on the raster and purlin because we need to assign the restraint on the face of the column and face of the raster. Now we can check for the take on it and take direction, and for the 1D elements, it is the 1D element, and check the local AISC. Yeah, the design code has the own different local AISC. Where is the local AISC? You can check it. Okay. Hello everyone, we continue to the next step to check restraint of the beam and column and add it and edit it. We put the lateral restraint at the bottom plane of the raster. You can see in the picture, and come back to Tekla Structural Modeling model and click on this reviews. The alert mistake because we do not yet run analysis, so we can click on show auto stage and check for the restraint. Okay, and review and change it to the beam. You see here for this color restraint at the top, and change it to set, and we set restraint at the top and at the bottom. Yeah, because we add the restraint at the top and the bottom, connect from the purlin to the bottom plane of the raster. Now change to the top and bottom and use set option. Select. Yes, it is correct. And check to the columns and LTB for A and for C. Okay, we use it in the first C and set restraint set for the first C. Yeah, for the A is in this direction, the A, and inside is the first C. So for the location, we have the restraint on the A only. Phase C we do not have, but in this location, we apply both phase, yeah, phase A and phase C. The restraint, okay, we use the same. Sorry. It is complete for our model. Seal it. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. Now continue to check for the connectivity of the member or rigidity of the member. Click and check for the fit pin. Yes, for the column is fit, but for the raster is pin. So we have to check and correct the issue. And auto check and design option, we turn it off for the raster, and for the column we want to optimize it before use the design auto option in the Tekla Structural Designer for the element. Yeah, to support the composite beam and column, we use the auto design option. And check for the section and material grade. Check and review and material grade, we use S225. Change it to the columns. Yeah, it's the same. S225, change it to the press. Yeah, the same. And change from the material grade to the section. This is for the beam, and you can check the color, the raster. This is the legends, and you can check the color with the member. And now change to the beam, to column. I396 multiplied with 199, and the west is 56.7. Change to the press. Yeah, it is how you can check for the material, check for the section and rigidity, fit pin. Now change it. Okay, after check, we have to change it. Come back to model, click, right click, check on the release, change to pin, from pin to fully fit, from pin to fully fit. Escape, seal it, come back. Yeah, everything is working fine right now. It is the same with our concept. We want to model the portal frame like this one. We use the rigid frame, fit connection. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.